Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. The left mirror is minus 8 volt, the right mirror positive 8 volts, and the mirrors are connected to this project, and the power source is 9 volt battery. It is not a fresh battery. This is the reason that we don't have exact 9 volt. The project is based on 555 timer chip. We need 4 capacitors, electrolyte one, and also 110 microfarad cap, and nothing special need for this project. Here is the schematic. Change 9 volt to positive negative 9 volts. Most of op-amp projects need positive negative as input, and the circuit is very nice for operational amplifiers project. Also, I have several videos about 555 voltage Doppler or voltage converter, but this one is super stable, as you can see. Positive 8 volt, negative 8 volt. I have 3 wires over here, positive, negative, and ground. So this project is completely different with virtual ground. This is not a virtual ground because of the 555 will make frequency, and over diodes the voltage gonna be bigger, and we have real 8 volt and minus 8 volt. To be sure, it is good enough to connect the positive and negative to same meter. I will try that. As you can see, I'm connecting the meter to same wire, and the other one should connect here. Very nice. I have minus 15 volt here. It means that 9 volt battery voltage gonna be duplicate, and as soon as I'm reversing the leads, I'm changing the leads. Now is 15, 16. As soon as I'm using the fresh 9 volt battery, the voltage going to minus 9 and positive 9. Thanks for watching. Here is the schematic if you are going to take a screenshot and do this amazing experiment. Goodbye.